Welcome, my dear friends. Welcome, welcome. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy channel. And today's video is regarding one again important medicine for our Ayurvedic treatment. And the name is Ashtavarga Kashay. Ashtavarga Kashay drug review. This is the best medicine from Kerala, South India. Try to understand. Myself is Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I am MD in Ayurvedic Medicine and MD in Ayurvedic Physiology Kriya Sharir. My WhatsApp number is 922681060. Why I am preparing these videos of Kashayas? In South India, Ayurvedic Kashaya medicines. Kashaya means quath. Kashaya means decoctions. Kashay is like herbal teas are very popular in South India and proved to be most effective medicines in Ayurveda. These kashayas or kashaya tablets are also available nowadays, are less exposed to the middle and north part of India. So, Maharashtra state, middle, UP, MP, Bihar, Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh. So these people, Ayurvedic students are not using much of these South Indian Kashaya tablets. Kashayas are the best, but when you take a liquid form, that is very difficult to carry in your office, carry in your colleges, carry in your schools, at your working place. So now the South Indian companies have manufactured these all the kashayas in tablet form also. And tablets are very easy to carry and very easy to take. So that is called as a compliance of the patient has increased. Compliance means response. This particular, all the kashayas are taken moreover from Sahasra Yoga book, Sahasra Yoga or Ashtavargam. Ayurvedic pharmacies are AVN Aryavaidya Nilaya, CNS Kerala, AVP Aryavaidya Pharmacy and AVS Aryavaidya Shah Kottakal. Okay, this is the picture. Ashtavarga Kashaya liquid and also simultaneously Ashtavarga Kashaya tablets. Best medicine to control the Vata problems. This is drug review, uses and doses. Best medicine for arthritis, rheumatism and gastrointestinal digestive problems related with Vata. Ashtavarga Kashaya is a classical Ayurvedic medicine used for the Vata diseases. And Vata is a energy, bioenergy. It controls the joint movement. So joint diseases, bloating, gas in the stomach, arthritic problems, rheumatism problem. The mainly used in the Vata conduction problem. Vata dosha conduction problem, but due to the obstruction or in Ayurveda, the word is avarana chikitsa. Avarana, covering, coating, obstruction, srotorodh. Contents. Fortunately, Ashtavarga Kashaya, the 8 important medicines. Ashtavarga, 8 important medicines. Bala, Sida cordifolia, Sahachara, Eranda, Ricinus communis, Sunti, Gingiber officinale, Rasna, Devadaru, Citrus Devadara, Nirgundi, Vitex Negundo, and Lashuna. All these medicines are in equal part. So these are the important, what you can say, the Bala, Sahachara, Erand, and Ginger, and garlic. So all these medicines are there in Ashtavarga Kashaya. Actions of the Kashaya. Reference, Sastra Yoga, Vata Roga Chikitsa. Vata Roga, neurological problems, musculoskeletal problems. Vata is a bioenergy which is responsible for all types of movements. Every movement, subtle and gross movements. It may be the visceral musculars, it may be the skeletal muscles, but this Ashtavarga Kashaya is mainly related with Vata bioenergy, movements of the hands and legs, movements, nerve impulse in the brain. Okay, dosha. This is Kapha Vata Hara. It reduces the Kapha, it reduces the Vata dosha. Agni, Deepana, fire is stimulated. Action, Vata anuloman, Vatanulomak. That means normal conduction, normal impulse, normal peristaltic movements, normal. That is Vata anulomaka. Stroto shodhana. Whenever there is obstruction in micro or macro channels, micro or macro channels, channels is a srota in Ayurveda, and avarana obstruction is relieved, avarana hara, better used in the vata kapha prakriti and vata kapha problems. My dear friends, Ashtavarga Kashay should be used in vata dosha connected with kapha dosha. There should be problem of indigestion. There should be problem of gas. The person should be obese. There may be some metabolic disorders like obesity, diabetes mellitus, hypertension. The patient is having the sedentary job. Then only you can use Ashtavarga Kashay. Whenever there is a Srotoros obstruction, it should be there. Indication. All types of Vata rogas, but it should be Kafanubandhi Vata roga. There should be additional Kapha dosha, and that is called as a Margava Rodha Janya Vata Prakop. Urustambha, stiffness of the thigh muscles. Manyastambha, stiffness of the neck muscle, cannot move. Wry neck, WRY, cannot, cervical spondylosis. Pakshaghat, Paksha means extremities, hands and legs. Paksha is not bird. Paksha is not bird. Pakshaghat, function loss of hands and legs in hemiplegia. But, paralysis, hemiplegia, due to mainly three causes: thrombosis, embolism, and brain hemorrhage. Ashtavarga Kashay should be used in thrombotic cases and not in the hemorrhagic cases. Not in the hemorrhagic cases. There is a garlic. Try to understand. There is a ginger. Ushna, Tikshna Dravyas are there. So be careful. Detailed action. Vata bioenergy means all neurological conduction, brain conduction, all sensory and motor pathways from the brain going down, motor pathway. From extremities to the up, sensory pathway. Nerve impulse problem at neuromuscular junction. Two main reasons for Vata pathology. Number one, deficiency of micronutrients, that is Dhatu Kshayjanya Vata Prakop. And second, obstruction phenomena, that is Margavarodhajanya Vata Prakop or Avarana. Avarana is a Margavarodha. This Kashaya acts more on obstructive pathology, Strotorodha, that is Avarana. So, any problem of musculoskeletal, there should be a cause, basic cause should be faulty metabolism that creates the endogenous toxins, and that is Ama. Ama is not mango. Ama is a toxin because of the weak metabolism. Shunthi and garlic, appetizer, carminative, digestant, Amapachak, stimulates the metabolic process at every level, in the digestive system as well as at the tissue level. Tissue metabolism is also corrected because of the shunthi and garlic. These are the aromatic plants, and whichsoever aromatic plants always work on Vata dosha, Vata bioenergy as antispasmodic. So spasm in the visceral and skeletal muscle is relieved. Next is Erenda, resinous oil, anti-vata, best anti-vata medicine. Actually, oil is a snigdha, anchas, oily, fat is there. So whenever there is a fat, it always acts opposite to the dryness of vata dosha. Rukshata, dryness is reduced because of the use of fatty substances, that is oil and ghee. Oil sometimes internally, sometimes externally. Now, actually oil, fatty substance use is contraindicated in amopathology. Oil, ghee, amopathology, no. But my dear friends, Erenda ricinus is an exception, is an exceptional oil, exception fatty substance which can be used in arm condition. Eranda ricinus oil can be used in Margavarodha Janyavata Prakop. No other oil, no other ghee can be used in arm condition. Are you getting my point? Vata anulomak. Erand is Vata anulomak. Good peristaltic movement, laxative. Apana vayu will be under control. When apana vayu is under control, all other Vata types, samana vayu, vyana vayu, prana vayu, udana vayu, gets benefit. Normal bowel evacuation, good stools, gives relief in the gas. It reduces the pain in the abdomen, reduces the spasmodic cramp in the abdomen. Also, whenever there is a constipation, there may be back pressure, but that is relieved and then your appetite gets improved. So, erand is a vatanulomak. Another meaning, good nerve impulse propagation. Motor conduction is improved in hemiplegia. Next content of Ashtavarga Kashay. Sahachara, Rasna, Nirgandi, Devadaru, all these medicinal herbs are anti-Vata, controlling the Vata dosha. Pathology of Vata dosha is corrected by using these herbs. Sroto Shodhan, Ushna Tikshna medicines removes the obstruction, best analgesic, best antispasmodic, vasodilator. So good nutrients and toxic materials going out, anti-inflammatory. So this Ashtavarga Kashaya is useful in all the painful and inflammatory conditions of the bones, muscles, bony joints, ligaments, tendons, nerves. This Ashtavarga Kashaya gives symptomatic relief in arthritis, cervical spondylosis, lumbar spondylosis, that is lumbago. Ashtavarga Kashaya, best medicine for backache, sciatica, leg pain, myalgia, stiff neck, frozen shoulder. But these conditions should be with kapha dosha. That means the patient should be having kapha predominant prakriti, obese person, sedentary job, indigestion problem, metabolic disorders like diabetes, hypertension, etc., etc. Then you can use the Ashtavarga Kashay. So try to find out other circumstances. If the patient is very, 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 very weak, low weight, loss of muscles and loss of degenerative changes, then Ashtavarga Kashaya may not be that much helpful. It is more helpful in the fatty person, in the obese people having neck pain, obese people, sedentary job, having the backache, indigestion, constipation and backache. Then you can use the Ashtavarga Kashaya. Bala. This is another plant. Bala means strength. This is the name of a plant. This is nourishing the plant. Prevents the degeneration, prevents the relapse rate of any arthritic condition. It reduces the intensity of symptoms and relapse can be reduced. This is very strengthening. It strengthens. Bala plant gives strength to the bones. Bone density is increased. It gives strength to the muscles. Bala plant, Sida cordifolia, improves the muscle tone, muscle strength in hemiplegia patient. Doses of this Ashtavarga Kashaya, 5 to 10 ml, very little, or half to 1 tablet to the children. Same dose for the old people, geriatric, after 60, because older people are like children. For the adults, the dose is more, 2 to 4 teaspoons, or 2 tablets at a time for minimum 3 times in a day, morning, afternoon, evening. All these Kerala Kashaya, if they are in a liquid form, can be rather must be diluted in equal amount of water and taken 30 minutes before the meal or the lunch and dinner. The therapeutic doses, this is very safe and well tolerated. But if by chance, if you take the overdose, it can cause the heartburn, gastritis, garlic is there, shunthi is there, ginger is there, loose emotions and abdominal burning, because many Ushna Tikshna plants are there in this Ashtavarga Kashay. Manufacturers, Ayurveda Nilay, Ayurveda Shala Kottakal, Kerala Ayurveda Pharmacy, lot of pharmacies from the South India, they are preparing. Now, this is all about Ashtavarga Kashay. My dear friends, these are all educational videos. So self-medication, please avoid. Go to the Vaidya, go to the doctor, come to the Deshpande, and then you can take these medicines. You are suffering from rheumatoid arthritis, cervical spondylosis, osteoarthritis, paralysis, hemiplegia. If you want any Ayurvedic consultation advice, contact Professor Deshpande 9226810630. I am very much thankful for your patience hearing. I request all of you to like this video, share this video, and ask all your maybe students, maybe doctors, maybe professors, maybe patients, circulate and ask, request on behalf of me to subscribe my YouTube channel to boost my energy for doing such valuable or important work, I can say. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best. I wish you all the best, my dear friends.